Cloud computing powers everything from your photos to Netflix to your company's data. But what actually is it? Here's the simplest explanation you'll ever hear. Cloud computing is just someone else's computer, available on demand. Instead of storing everything on your laptop or a physical server in your office, you access storage, apps, and processing power over the internet. Think of it like renting technology instead of buying it. There are three main models. Infrastructure as a service. You rent virtual machines, storage, or networks. Think AWS EC2. Platform as a service. Developers get tools to build software without managing servers. Think Google App Engine. Software as a service. Apps you use through the internet. Think Gmail, Zoom, or Netflix. Companies love the cloud because it's cheaper. You only pay for what you use. It's scalable. You can add more power instantly. It's reliable, with automatic backups and global servers. And it's fast. You can deploy applications in minutes. If you've used Google Drive, iCloud, Spotify, ChatGPT, or Netflix, you've used cloud computing. Your data is stored in secure data centers, not your device. Cloud computing is the backbone of modern technology, and now you understand the real root cause behind it. If you want more quick, simple tech explainers, subscribe.